Hello, my name is Misty. I am a drafting tutor for San Juan College. Today, I want to talk to you about your template. Having a template to create your AutoCAD drawings is important because it will save you a lot of time when creating settings for your assignments and projects. This is the first video on creating a template, and more will follow. Today's video is going to cover how to create layers in your AutoCAD template. If you have not had a chance to download AutoCAD yet, please check out the video on downloading AutoCAD and account setup before moving on to this video. Let us begin by opening the AutoCAD application located on your main screen of your computer, laptop, or mobile device. Once AutoCAD has launched, select the Start Drawing option on the home page to begin a new drawing. This will be located underneath the Get Started. You will notice at the top of the page there is a ribbon that goes horizontally across. In the middle of the ribbon you will see a tab that says Layers. Please click on Layers Properties to open up the Layers Properties Manager. A window will open displaying columns with the titles at the top of each column. These titles include Status, Name, Freeze, Lock, Color, Line Type, Line Weight, Transparency, Plot, VP Transparency, and Description. The only layer that is currently active in the window is known as the Zero layer. This is the default layer to create blocks and cannot be removed from the Layers Properties Manager. To create a new layer, select the New Layer button. This is located right above the status and will look like this. When you click on this button, a new layer will appear with default layer name. You will need to repeat this process 14 times for a total of 15 layers. Please remember when you're adding the name of your layer to also pick your color palette that best suits your background. With a lighter background, please choose darker colors. If you're going to use a dark background, be sure to choose light colors. You will now enter in the information in the slide to complete the layers process. Feel free to pause the video to enter the information, and when you are finished, please continue to the next step. To access the line type for a specific layer, click on the default line type named Continuous. A new window will appear, and click on Load, which is located on the bottom right. A menu will be displayed, and you can choose the line type assigned to the layer from the slide in step 6. Be sure to highlight the correct line before returning to the Layers Property Manager. Repeat this step until all assigned line types are complete. To access the line weight for a layer, click on the default line weight named Default. A new window will appear, and scroll through the list to match the line weight to the chart in step 6. Repeat this step until all assigned line weights are complete. After you have finished assigning the properties to your layers, please select to freeze the VP layer by clicking on the sun symbol or selecting the freeze layer icon at the top of the window. A new symbol will appear in the shape of a snowflake. You may now close the Layers Property Manager. To save the current drawing as a template, you will need to complete a Zoom All by pressing Z spacebar, A spacebar in the command line. The next step is to choose the Save As function located at the top of the ribbon, represented by a floppy disk with a pencil. Please click on this icon. The first thing you will need to do to save is select the Files of Type And you want to search for the AutoCAD drawing template, which will be represented by a parentheses asterisk dot DWT closing parentheses. After you have selected the file type, please select a title for your template and be sure to enter in the word temp into it so you can identify it easily. Once you have selected the file type and file name, you will now navigate to select where you would like to save your template. I will be saving this template on a USB drive or flash drive. If you have a drafting course, please be sure to assign the template to the drafting course you're in. Once you have selected the course, now it is time to click Save. A new window will appear saying Template Options. Please feel free to read the information. No further action is needed, so press OK. Once you have completed the Save As process, you may now exit the AutoCAD application. This brings us to the conclusion of how to create layers in your AutoCAD template. Please remember that assistance is here and your success matters. Thank you for joining me today. If you have enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos on the Student Success Center website by typing www.tutoringcenter@sanjuancollege.edu, the San Juan College Facebook page by typing www.facebook.com/tutoringsjc/, or the San Juan College YouTube channel, and do not forget to subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy, and together we can do this.